Hi everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new project to share with you. It's our curio cabinet kit, all altered in papers from the Alice collection by Stamperia, and it's a jewellery box kit. So it measures about 13.5 inches tall and it's quite deep with two sections, all beautifully decorated in the papers from the collection. I don't want to wobble it around too much because there are things inside I want to show you. I've got two doors on the front, so I've taken the pictures from the collection with Alice opening the doors, and when you open them we've got the white rabbits doing a trumpet call on the inside, and then a picture of Alice and the Queen of Hearts probably shouting "off with your head" inside, and it's all raised so that you can actually hook your jewellery over the top of the cutout at the top, and also over the sides of the picture here, so bracelets and earrings could hook over. And then down at the bottom here, if I turn it upwards, there is actually space to put rings or earrings or whatever you like at the bottom. So I love those pictures. And then if we close it up, and on the side there is a hook lock that keeps it closed. Got little wooden feet on the bottom. I don't think you can see those, but there are little wooden feet on the bottom. And then it opens up. Let's hope everything is still where it should be. Oh yes. And then if I tilt it, you can see that there are earring bands on this side. They're all magnetic, so they come off. So you can put your earrings into them and take them out really easily, and then replace the bands. And then again, there's a little place at the bottom here to put bits and pieces. And then also on this side, if I tilt it, oh, I've got the Cheshire Cat up here on the left. I've tried to pick out the key characters from the paper and sort of make a feature of them inside the project. And then we've got the tea party going on here, and there's another bar that you can hang. I just grabbed a few chains, but you can hang your necklaces and bracelets off. And then at the bottom there's a lift up section so that you can put those nice little boxes that we all love to keep, that our jewellery comes in, so they fit in the bottom, and also you can put things on the shelf here as well. And then on the back I've decorated it with the beautiful floral paper from the collection that says Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. So there is a full kit for this jewellery box available. I'll put details below in the description under the video, along with a link to the curio cabinet kit as well, and that comes with an assembly guide. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I'm sorry it's such a large project. I can't really stand it up. Well, I can, but you can't see it. So thanks for joining me. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed this very quick walkthrough, and subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with new projects as they come out.